Hey guys, very good morning, guys. Uh, let's start our session, guys. Okay. See, guys, before jumping into the things and all, so let me introduce myself. Okay. My name is, Gangadhar, guys. Okay. My name is Gangadhar. Okay. You can call me any name like Perla or whatever. Gangadhar Perla. Okay. I'm having almost 11 years of experience in the IT as a Java developer, plus okay, developer plus UI full stack also, by the way, full stack developer plus cloud also having experience, guys, plus as a tech lead also having experience, guys. Right now I'm working as a technical architect. Okay. Technical architect. Okay. So in my whole 11 years of experience, I have seen the different stages. Like a developer, I have started my career as a junior developer. Then I become as a senior. Then when I was a senior developer, I've been worked as a full stack developer. So in that role, I have enjoyed a lot because both I have handled. Okay, and then nowadays the cloud from last 4 to 5 years onwards, the cloud based applications we were developing a lot. So immediately I have switched to the cloud based development, guys. Currently I'm having the experience in the AWS cloud more, and some of the DevOps activities also, guys. Okay, by the way, some of the DevOps activities also having experience, followed by the technical architecture role I'm facing now. I'm in the technical architect role, guys, now. Okay, in one of the good reputation company. So I'm still working as a developer, or we can say technical architect, whatever. Okay, still I'm continuing. Followed by I'm giving the trainings for the to become a new people, like for the new people, those who are interested for the IT side, those who wants to become as a developer from the from Java side. Okay, so this is my fashion, guys. So it's my own interesting to teach the people. I'm helping the people to grow on up. Okay, to growing up and all, I'm helping. See, not only for the upcoming people, and also I'm helping the people like those who wants to upgrade their skills, like microservices architecture. Okay, microservices plus Spring Boot. Okay, Spring Boot. Those who are interested, there are many things which are present in terms of the Java side, guys. In terms of the Java side. So right now, current market, how it is, and what are the new hot topics or hot subjects which are companies are looking. So every day I'm sometimes will come to know that, guys, because people are were simply mentioning that I'm having experience in the microservices and Spring Boot. But what happening, guys, once they are attending the interviews and all, they were not able to tackle that interviews, and since they are losing their opportunities, guys, in the market. So current market is demanding microservices architecture, Spring Boot, plus some cloud based, also Java latest versions, guys. So Java latest version. You can consider as of now Java 8, guys. So Java 8 plus, the people are looking for a Java 8 plus version, guys. Why reason? Because from till Java 7, some of the features were available, and there are many applications were developed in the before Java 8, guys, and almost all the applications were migrating in towards the latest versions, guys. Okay, so the current market is demanding with the latest technologies, with the latest versions, guys. Okay, so that's the reason in this full stack course content. Okay, in the Ashok IT full stack course content, we are going to be dealing with the all the latest versions only, guys. Okay, with the latest versions only, we are going to be starting, and from the starting onwards, we are going to be understanding through the latest versions only, guys. And the Ashok IT every day will be going to be provide the with the latest versions only, guys. So this is the very promising commitment from the Ashok IT, guys. So we were we were giving the subject with the latest versions, with the very latest concepts, we can say, which companies are demanding right now. Okay, so we are completely altogether different institution. We were focusing on the completely real-time requirements related. We were explaining, we were giving the subject towards the real-time experience wise, guys. So meaning that once you complete your full stack course here, whether whatever, like once you complete this full stack course content, then you will be become as a one of the Java full stack developer, or some of the backend development also will be going to happen, guys. Okay, so we are going to be helping that way to the people. Uh, every day you should practice, guys. So that is a ultimate, point for success. Okay, you should be very, practice more, practice more, practice. Don't get a deviation. Okay, from the outside of the news is, or whether whatever it is, the spreading like false news and all. So don't get deviation, don't get fall down, guys. So in terms of that fake news is on all. Okay. See, right now the market, the people in your mind might be having some doubts in terms of the towards the like market situations and all. See, guys, no need to worry about at all. Those who are going to be become for a Java developer, they will never worry about their career, guys. Why? Because Java language is more powerful, and there are plenty of the applications. There are so many opportunities are there in the market towards the Java language, guys. So I will show you in time later, in some time later, so that you people will be understanding that how demanding this Java 8 versions, latest versions, plus the Spring Boot microservices, and as well as the cloud based. Keep in mind, guys, the world technologies, whatever it is right now, there are towards whatever the world applications, which are applications are there, those also is migrating into the latest versions, guys. Keep in mind that, and try to keep upgrade yourself. Those who are away, I'm not sure how many people are professional years, or how many people are junior level developers are there, or how many freshers are there. So in terms of that things and all, like those who are professionals if present here, so they will come to know that the situations, how much it is demanding every every year. So in companies, guys, there is a policy will be there, so they should upgrade their skills themselves only, guys. So they will be provide some of the things and all. They should upgrade themselves, and they have to show up. I have learned the new things like that, so that then only the companies will be considering you for a hikes and promotions and all, guys. Okay, that is a one agenda which is available, which is present in the companies, guys. Okay, it's very long things and all which is present, guys. So keep in mind, try to learn the things and always keep learning, guys. Always keep learning. Okay. So now let's come back. So the Ashok IT, which is going to be offering you guys what things and all is going to be offering. So I'm going to explaining that now, course content, all the things, guys. So before that, do you guys are having any doubts? Before that, do you have any doubts in terms of the market, in terms of the things like how, what is the situation in the market right now? So let me show you guys some things in terms of, let me take incognito word and let me show you that, guys, Java, Spring Boot, okay, with the, Java 8 version or something, jobs, just such like this, guys. You will be get many options. If you go to the Naukri is one of the lead um, job portal, guys, in India, by the way. So if you go to this one, you can see this 8,000 something it is showing for the Spring Boot only itself. If you open this one, it will be navigate you and it will show you guys out of 8,000. So you can see this, guys. So how much it is demand in the market. See, guys, I'm just searching for the Spring Boot. If you search for the Java completely, if you search for the Java, you just search here for Java. You see, guys, it will be changed, guys, every time. It will be changed because that much important, guys. Okay, so you can see that 15,000. See, I just search for the Java only, guys. If you search for the all other frameworks like microservices architecture, okay, microservices architecture and some cloud based and all, if you search Java backend, Java full stack developer, like that, if you search, you will get a lot many opportunities, guys. You can see now 35,000 change. So like this, the combinations which will be present, guys, the combinations also will be matter. So the way you are searching for a job, you have to be very conscious. You have to be search like this, guys. You want to search as a full stack developer, you want to search for a backend developer, or you want to search the combination of the Spring Boot plus microservices and cloud based. So the way of you are searching is a matter, and the way of which you have experience or you are a fresher, you can mention that zero level fresher and go and search. It will be also show you that how many fresher jobs is also present in the Naukri for the in terms of the Java related things and all, it will show you, guys. Not only in Naukri, guys, there are so many other job um, portals is there, guys. Okay, so you can take example Naukri, Monster, and LinkedIn, Facebooks, and there are so many social media things are there, right? Instagram, Telegram group, Telegrams also you can search in the Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn. There are so many places where you can search. Indeed is there in India, so you can search there also. You can find the job opportunities. The way you are searching is the matter, guys. Okay, keep in mind and try to tackle the things and all and get more subject first, and then you can go for a job opportunities, guys. So this is one of the best example I'm showing you guys, because even if we go for a job searching, so definitely I have my account in Naukri, guys, from very long back. Okay, so whenever I need a job change, then definitely I will go for a Naukri, LinkedIn especially. I'm focusing on the more LinkedIn, guys. The reason why I'm focusing the LinkedIn, because in that LinkedIn, they will be going to post you the some challenging things and all, some job portal, some job opportunities, direct HR contacts also will be there, guys. You can talk to them there itself, and you can. It's a kind of a social media where you can, communicate with them, and you can, uh, mingle with them, and then you can also find out the job opportunities there itself, guys. Okay, so there are many ways. There are many ways you can search. Not only India, guys, if you search for the outside of India, so suppose let's say UK, Canada, or something, America, like USA. If you want to search for a job changes, there are Dice is the one of the portal, guys. Okay, those who are we can say you can just just search like this. There is a portal is there, guys. Dice. Okay, so there is a portal that is indeed there is where it is here. It should be present, man. Dice, yes, jobs. You can see this. This is the one of the Dice is one of the best tool for the job opportunity, job searching, guys. So this is one of the best tool uh, in terms of the Canada and the USA and other countries also, guys. Okay, you can search here. You can those who are from outside of the India, they can go and search from here also, guys. Okay. So this is one of the best tool, guys. Okay, best website, or we can say tool or whatever. You will be finding the good jobs there. You can also search here Java. Just search here Java. Okay, here this Java and location for don't worry. Just search here Java. Okay, you can see that some of the things will be loaded, and you can see that case. You can see this total how many jobs are opening in India in USA right now. You can see that one. You can find out that last 7 days related any latest jobs opportunities related things only they will be post here, guys. Okay, I just search for the Java. I have not searched for the combination wise and all. Okay, you can see that Java full stack lead engineer. If you search here, there are other opportunities, more opportunities will be there. You can see if you forget about the lead, and if you just search for the Java full stack, you'll get 10,000. See, the combinations is also matter, guys. Okay, so just it's a boost up, guys. So before jumping into the course content, all the things anyway. So now see, guys, in Ashok IT, we are providing the course offer in terms of the module wise, guys. Modules. Okay, modules wise we are providing. Okay, how many modules are there total means we can say there are 3 modules where we have divided, guys. There are 3 modules. Module 1, okay. Module 2, module 3. Like this, we have divided the Java full stack course content. Okay, Java full stack course we have divided into the 3 modules. The first module we can say the core modules. Okay, core module means core Java. Okay, advanced Java plus some of the small concepts will be there, guys. We were divided that. Okay, in this one, some of the tools like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDE, and other tools like Maven, simple Maven related. Some other things also we were going to touch all the things, guys. I will show you that course content, complete course content, then we'll jump into this. Now in the module 2, we will be going to handling the UI related things, guys. UI technologies. Completely UI technologies, guys. Like example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other frameworks. Maybe we can say Bootstrap is one of the CSS framework, guys. Bootstrap CSS framework, and some of the like frameworks like Angular, basic things they will explain in the module 2. In the module 3, we are going to be focusing completely like backend. See, guys, module 1 also backend. BE means backend, guys. UI means graphical user interface. We can say UI means user interfaces. Here also we'll be focusing the BE plus combination, guys. UI means that whatever you have learned in the module 2, okay, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, here you will be going to see that the combinations of the backend plus UI, both. So that kind of like, you can say this is completely module 3 will talk about the frameworks, some tools, real-time tools, and so on things, guys. Here also we'll be touching the some of the cloud-based, we can say basic knowledge, guys. Okay, we are not going to be completely focusing on the cloud-based completely. So we are going to be explaining the basic, cloud topics there, guys. Like example, how to deploy the applications in the cloud and how to run it. Okay, how to create, how to host the applications, kind of things. Small, some small, the some services which will be going to talk there. Okay, so in this one we'll talk about the first focusing is the Spring framework. Okay, Spring framework, guys. So very important framework we can see, and then followed by MS microservices architecture. Then some tools, real time tools, which will be helping us into like in the process oriented, like the software development lifecycle things and all, which will be going to help you guys. Like example, how you are going to be getting the work, and how you are going to be writing the JUnit test cases, like example unit testing, and how to integrate from UI to backend develop backend things, and as well as Maven, Git. There are so many real-time tools which will be available, guys. We will be going to talk about there itself, and followed by cloud. Some AWS cloud, services, not complete, guys. So basic cloud services we'll talk about here, guys. Which will be going to helping for us, like the in terms of the how to deploy the applications, and how to monitor the applications. Okay, how to do the unit testing. All the things will be talk about here in the module 3. In the module 1, as we discussing this here, core Java and advanced Java, these are the main pillars to understand this module 3, guys. First, module 1 and module 2 is a kind of a pillars basement. You will be going to understanding this module 1, module 2. Then later you can understand the module 3 is in a very fascinated way, guys. Why? Because if you want to learn the directly module 3, it is very complicated to understand, guys, without having the prior knowledge on the module 1 and module 2. The reason, the core concepts, like example, the Java related concepts, like we are having the many features, like guys, object oriented features, collections framework, latest versions. See, guys, whatever we hear, module 1 is there. So we are going to be talk completely with the latest version. So we'll be focusing with Java 8, guys, Java 8 version. The reason why we are focusing the Java 8, because right now the companies, the projects which are running with this Java 8 version only, guys. The people still are trying to using the latest versions. Like in my current project, in my real-time project, we are using the Java 17, guys. Now the latest version is 22. I think 21, guys. Yeah, sorry, 22 is the latest version now. See, Java 22 version is the latest. See, where 22 and where is the 17 version? So it will be slow process, guys. In terms of the migrating the applications with the latest technology is not so easy. There are so much, criterias will be there. There are so many process oriented. There steps will be there, which we need to, have all the things. Discussions will be there. Then only we'll be going to migrating our applications with the latest versions. Until unless that, so we'll be keep on going with the whatever the versions which we are using in the current projects. Okay. So these are the major things. Let me show you guys the course content. See guys, the Ashok IT is offering very good manner. We can say like the way UI Java full stack. If you go for a Java full stack course, you can see guys here. You can find out here each one as individually. Okay, as a individually. By the way, followed by you can also find out the Java full stack development here, guys. Okay, if you click on this view details, here you can find out the some demo classes. If you want to learn, if you want to attend that demo classes, you can go and attend. If you want to download the course content, you can go and click on that download course content like that, and then you can find out the complete Java full stack related course content here, guys. Okay, as we discussed in the module 1, okay, we are going to be focusing the completely core concepts. Okay, completely core concepts, which will be take around module 1 itself. It will take around 3 months, guys. Okay, 2.5 months to 3 months, followed by you can also attend the module 2 in parallel. Okay, parallelly you can also attend the module 2, guys. So which is nowhere relative to the module 1, guys. Once you enroll it, you can go and attend the module 2 in a parallel. So you keep in touch with the admin team. The admin team will keep on post you that things, and they will be keep on update you guys when the module 1 related things is going to be happen, when the module 2 is going to be happening, all the things they will be keep on posting you through the WhatsApp channels, WhatsApp groups, from social media also. You can find out many ways, guys, where the Ashok IT is going to be giving you the latest updates, guys. Okay, or else you can touch with the admin team once you enroll. So they will be definitely help you guys how to you know how to you can attend, and how to attend that, how to access the recorded sessions, all the things. They will be going to be helping you all the things, guys. Anyway, so now let's come back. So here the things, guys, in the core model, module 1, completely we are going to be focusing on the backend only, backend development. So which will be like core Java and advanced Java. That is we can say like completely core Java concept, like how to execute the programs, and what is the difference between other programming languages. We are going to be focusing that, and JVM architecture, and then some reserved keywords, followed by the object oriented features, followed by the object oriented features, guys. Then after that we'll be going to focusing on the string. Okay, string handling. Then after that exceptional handling, and followed by the multi-threading concept. And we'll be also talking about the Java memory management when we're going to discuss about the JVM architecture. And in the multi-threading concept, we'll be going to focusing on the synchronization concept, guys, which is a very important concept, followed by the concurrency package. Executor frameworks also will be touched there. So which are like important topics which we will be going to utilizing them in the real-time projects, guys, more and more, like exceptional handling and collections framework. You can find out the collections framework here, guys. Here, before that, file IO operations we'll see, like how to read the data from file, how to write the data into the file system, how to delete the files in your from your file systems, how to make that, how to, there are many things, guys. How to find the file, whether the file is exist or not. If you want to check, we can see that in the file IO operations itself, we will be going to see that serialization. What is serialization? How to, achieve it and all, everything will be going to focus, guys. And in this concept itself, there is some other keyword like transient keyword, which is not present in this content, guys, but we'll be going to focusing that transient keyword also, guys, by the way. So to understand that, in terms of the serialization, how to utilize it, and what are the restrictions are there, all the things will be going to focusing on the serialization concept, which is very important, guys, in terms of the real-time projects. And locking mechanism, which will be part of the synchronization concept only, will be talk about this locking mechanism also, guys. In terms of the object level and in terms of the class level locking mechanisms, we will be going to focusing on it. Okay. Then in the collections framework, we'll be going to talk about the all these listed things, followed by the Java 8 features. Okay, followed by the all the latest features which are present in the Java 8. See, guys, in this Java 8 features, these are the main things: Lambda expressions, functional interfaces, default and static methods, method references, date and time. So because there are good changes are available in the Java 8 itself, guys. You will be finding that I can show you that some of the interview things also. Once we start our course, I will share my GitHub link, guys. So there you can find out all the examples. But keep in mind, guys, I'm sharing them to for practice purpose, guys. So the thing is that always don't focus on them. If you always focusing on them, you will never practice. It's just a backup for you guys. Okay, keep in mind, some people, some students are, I have seen in my previous batches. In the previous batches, simply they are attending the sessions and they are, taking the examples which we are discussing in the, during in our sessions, and they are simply downloading them in the GitHub, and then they are not at all practicing. So if at all, if you are not practicing, then how you will succeed yourself, guys? So keep in mind, there are so many Java 8 features are available. So we'll be also focusing on this stream API plus optional class and split data, all the things, which is very, stream API, guys, especially. This is the stream API which will be going to help you a lot in terms of the collections framework. In terms of the collections framework, whether you talk about the performance, whether you talk about the parallel mechanism related things, whether you talk about the way how the applications memory management wise and all, if you talk about a lot many things in terms of the collections framework with the stream API, you will be going to see the lot many things. Okay, and then followed by, we are going to be focusing on the advanced Java, guys. In this one, we are going to be giving the database overview, not complete to database content, guys. The database related things like example Oracle database, or if you take MySQL database. So they will be taking you separate batches, guys, in those who are update the full stack course. We are offering the separate database trainings also, guys. So you have to be, keep touch with the admin team. But in the advanced Java level, we are going to be giving the overview of the databases and some of the SQL queries, like the way how we can do the crude operations, like creating, reading, updating, deleting, all the things. Followed by the primary keys, foreign keys. These two keys will be going to help you to how to make the relationship between the two tables and all. Okay, how to link, or we can say how to connect between the two tables and all, if you want to achieve where you will be going to see this foreign key, primary key relationship, all the things, guys. Then followed by JDBC. Keep in mind, guys, this is JDBC. We'll talk about with the latest version. If you go and search that JDBC latest version, which is a 4. Okay, JDBC latest version is 4, guys. So, which has lot many changes again in this one also, guys. Okay, the reason they are upgrading, guys, they have removed some concepts. You will be coming to know all the things, guys, from through the our Oracle official document, official site, guys, because Java is acquired like Sun Microsystems. See, Java who is invented, guys? So Sun Microsystem company. Then Sun Microsystem is acquired by the Oracle company. So completely Oracle company is handling the Java related things, guys, now. There are so many things. Okay, there are so many latest features are available in this one. Keep in mind, guys, whatever you are going to be learning the Spring framework or whichever it is, you can take it, which are built on top of the core Java and advanced Java. If you have knowledge on the core concepts plus advanced Java concepts, I can tell you, guys, you can easily understand any other third-party frameworks. Okay, any other third-party frameworks which are developed in the Java language. Okay, especially Spring framework. See, guys, why we are focusing only Spring framework? Is there any other third-party? Is there any other frameworks in the market? Yes, there are so many. But why we are focusing on the Spring framework? Because Spring framework is an application framework which is providing the lot many features, guys. There are so many features which is helping in terms of the development. What kind of applications you want to develop, you can do developing through the Spring framework. Okay, that much powerful, guys. So anyway, you will be going to understand them slowly while you enroll it. And in the model 3, you will come to know, guys, completely. Okay. So here, module 1, handling by me. Okay. And module 2 will be handled by the UI trainer. Okay. Front-end developer. The reason, guys, I can also handle here, guys. Like, those who are working completely front-end side, they will explain you more elaborately how to utilize them. If you ask me that why model 2 will not be going to handle, because see, I will be focusing on the completely front and back end side, half of the things. Okay, half of the things means percentage wise, guys. Don't think that subject wise. So the half of the means, guys, as a full stack developer, you will be focusing on the 50% back end side, 50% in the front end side. You will be focusing. Not completely, guys. So that's the reason those who are UI experts, they will explain very good and you will be get more idea. By through that, also if you want to search for a UI side, also you can search for a UI developer side also, guys. That much flexibility is there in the course. You want to go for a backend developer, go and attend. Okay. You want to attend for a UI only, UI tech as a UI software developer, you can go and attend. Or you want to attend the combinations, you can go and take the opportunities. That much flexibility will be there in the Java. Okay. So that much flexibility will be there, guys. Anyway, so let's come back here. Now, if you talk about, okay, 1 second, guys. Yeah, here. Here in this advanced Java, we are focusing on the completely these things, guys. Whatever you can see that servlet technology, okay, web technology, guys. It is a servlet is a one of the web technology. We'll be focusing on that, and then JSP. There is a JSP, guys. Java server pages here. Somewhere it will be there. Yes, here. Okay, you can see that JSP, guys. We'll be talking about the JSP is also one of the web technology developed and provided by the Java people on. Okay, so we'll talk about these things also, followed by the like some MVC architecture we'll be going to discuss, and then mini projects. The combination between the combination like the mini project will be there. The things like Java, JDBC, okay, servlets and JSP. I'm also focusing plus one extra Maven. I will add it plus one Maven also, guys. Maven is the build tool. I will add it in that mini project so that you will be going to understand very easily. Okay. So this is the overall module 1. In the module 2, as I told you, completely focusing on the front end things. You can go and find out the course content here, listed courses, the things, concepts and all you will be going to understand. In the module 3, you can see that, guys, this is the completely module 3, which we are going to focusing on the Spring Boot plus microservices. You can also find out the tools, which we are going to be talking the tools also. If you scroll down, you can see the tools which we are going to be focusing on. Okay, followed by some concepts like AWS concepts also will be going to explain, guys. What is the cloud concept and how to utilize them? Okay, all the things will be going to explain in the module 3 related things, guys. Okay, so you go through this course content and go through the Ashok IT YouTube channel also. You can find out the some of the things here. You can see the things and do subscribe here, guys, and enroll yourself. Find out the good opportunities in the through the Ashok IT, guys. Okay, so we are giving the that much flexibility subject, guys. Okay, the module 3 will be handled by me or other faculty. Maybe other faculty means Ashok, okay, or there are other trainers also there. So either of me or Ashok or other trainers also will be handling this model. Depends on that availability in that time, guys. Okay. Any doubts, guys, in terms of the course content, in terms of the anything?
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Can I ask you?
Yeah.
సార్ మీరు మాడ్యూల్ 1 కి మాడ్యూల్ 2 కి పెద్ద రిలేషన్ ఏమి ఉండదు, అది సపరేట్ ఇది సపరేట్ అండి. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ తీసుకున్నాను. సో దానిలో మాడ్యూల్ 1 ఉంటుంది, మాడ్యూల్ 2 ఉంటుంది, మాడ్యూల్ 3 ఉంటుంది. సో మాడ్యూల్ 1 కి ఒక టైం ఉంటే మాడ్యూల్ 2 కి ఇంకో టైం ఉంటుందా?
Yes, of course. You need to check with the admin team. Okay.
Okay. యా షూర్. అండ్ ప్యారలల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్స్ కూడా చేస్తారా లేకపోతే జస్ట్ క్లాస్ మాత్రమే?
Parallel execution means what? You mean practice?
Yeah, practice.
See, that is what the practice you should where you are staying. So if you want to go and practice in the by going the institution and all, you can go and practice, no problem at all. Okay.
Okay.
So or every day, see in my course, every day I will give the some assignments also, guys, by the way. So the forgot to mention that point. So I will give the assignments also, guys, every day, like the core Java, especially core Java related things. I will give you more, assignments, by the way. So based on that assignments, I will share the course content. I will share the course, materials also, followed by the course, things like this, like we can say code also I will share. And then you can also find out that the recorded sessions which will be going to share by the admin team, you have to be access them through our Ashok IT portal only. Okay. You might be knowing that once you enroll, if you log in here, it will ask you to log in, by the way, guys. Then once you log in here, it will be going to navigate you to the dashboard. There you can find out the which course you have enrolled and how to access that courses, recorded sessions, and how to log in also, how to, we can say, what you called, how to download the course materials, all the detailed things will be there, guys, there. Keep in mind one thing, guys. Here, 1 year, the recorded sessions related things, they will give the access for a 1 year. Okay. In that 1 year, you can access them. Okay. You can access them anytime. How many times you wanted to access them, how many times you want to listen, you can listen for that whole 1 year. Yeah. Someone is asking that, are you going to teach ECS, EKS, AWS services? Yes, of course, Hari. So we'll touch, as I told you, some of the services, AWS services, like ECS, okay, Elastic Cloud Computing, okay, services, and EKS. So which we are going to be definitely touching that basic things, guys. As a developer, as a full stack developer, whatever you need, we are giving. See, this full stack course content is not the completely about the AWS cloud or whatever. You want to attend the complete AWS cloud related things and all, you may need to join other, separate batches for the AWS cloud. Okay. Whatever it is needed for the Java developer. So we are going to be teaching them. We are going to be, helping to understand that kind of things. Okay. After the course. Yes, of course, Ajay. As I told you in the module 1 itself, we'll give the some mini project. We'll try to explain you that through the mini project, how that mini project is going to be helping in terms of the understanding the things. In the especially module 3, definitely we'll be going to focusing on that more in terms of the projects only. We'll try to explain through the one real-time project, guys. Ajay. Yeah. Having any doubts, guys?
Sir, quick question.
Yeah, please.
So is it going to be this course that you're taking, going to give, going to be like for the completely beginners? You're going to start with very basic concepts of Java, what Java is, and starting from there, or for kind of intermediate or advanced?
Yes, Suman. See, forgot to mention this. This course will be, go on mute, please. Okay. This complete course basically for a UI. Please go on mute, guys. Don't go on the. Yeah. See, guys, this course will be going to help you for any kind of people. Like example, those who are having zero knowledge from the scratch level, or those who are already having the knowledge, okay, or experienced people also might be there. So it will be combination, mixed combination, guys. So mixed combination. So if you have a mixed combination, then only you will get a more subject, by the way. See, guys, the course that whoever attending the sessions, keep in mind, guys, the sessions means like keep on not listening kind of things. Kind of a discussion it should be happening. Okay. Then only you'll get a more subject. Okay. And The course duration for this full stack 6 months, guys. Okay, full stack full stack course content is 6 months. The first module will take, as I told you, 2.5 months, 2.5 to 3 months, guys. The reason why it is going to be taking this much, because module 1 is the main module, guys, than the other module 2 or other module 3. The reason why, if you want to write some business logics and all, like example, tackling that example you can take, guys. 1 plus 1, I wanted to do a addition of it. How can I do it? Right? So it's just a simple logic, right? 1 plus 1. Or maybe some complex things will be there. How to tackle them? How to write the business logics? If you want to write the business logics, module 1 is the main, guys. Okay, module 1 is the main module. So that is the reason it will take the more than 2.5 months. Means that 2.5 months it will take to 3 months. Okay, and in this course, okay, in this one, every day will take at least 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. The course will be there every day. The duration, course duration. Okay, every day, this is what we are following it. Sharp 7 a.m. the course will be start. Then it will be extended to the more than morning 8 a.m. IST. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, guys. What is this? Hari is talking about. I mean, will the development cover based on container services? Yes, of course. Yes, Hari. Like Docker is there, na? If you see that course content, in this one, Dockerization. Okay. So definitely, guys, if you can see that in the Ashok IT, YouTube channel, we are having already that. If you scroll down, you can find out the videos, guys. Here, you see this Dockerization, Spring Boot related things. Okay. And one more thing, guys. If sometimes we in the weekends, like in the Saturday and Sundays, we are going to be conducting some free, workshops. Free workshops also will be there, guys. You can attend that free workshops. Okay, no need to pay anything. That free workshops which will be help you a lot. Okay, to get the more subject. You can see this one, and DevOps with AWS. You can see that Spring Boot. You can see that also. You can find out if you want to search that Ashok IT. Ashok IT, you can say like Docker. Just search here, you will come to know that crash course, step by step. Okay, already the things and all is there, guys. You can go and attend them and understand this Spring Boot with the Docker. You can see this one. Okay, not only this, guys, we are going to be focusing and understanding that messaging services like Kafka. You might be hearing that Kafka is one of the powerful messaging broker. Okay, distributed messaging broker, that one. Distributed messaging broker, guys. Kafka. This one. It's a very, 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 very powerful tool, guys. Now industries are almost migrating with Apache Kafka, guys. I mean, the Java will be there, Spring Boot will be there, microservices will be there, cloud-based will be there. Plus, this one also, distributed, open source distributed, guys. It's a messaging broker. We are going to be teaching that also in the during and in our course. If you go here, somewhere the Kafka related some small concepts we are going to be explained. Not completely Kafka, guys. Not completely Kafka. Apache Kafka with Spring Boot examples we will be going to explaining, guys. You can see this Redis cache integration with Spring Boot and reactive programming also we are explaining. So whichever is important in the real-time projects, we are explaining that, guys. The current trending technologies, current trending things and all we are explaining. After 6 months, maybe they will be changed something new again. So every month, every 6 months, the things and all will be changed, guys. If you take the example of the Java, just you see the Java, guys. As per the rule by the Oracle company, every 6 months they will change the latest version. Every 6 months they will change the latest versions, guys. You can see this. Every 6 months they are having that, habituating that, guys. They were going to be releasing the every 6 months. Okay, they will be explaining. They will give you the releasing every 6 months. They will change the new versions and all. Now imagine that way. So every 6 months we are going to be, upgrading, giving the latest subject, guys. Okay, we are offering that way. Okay, any doubts, guys?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is an online course or a classroom course? That's what
It's a completely online.
Online.
Yeah.
Okay.
Completely online.
Uh,
If you want
another
offline, the kind of things which is already, started today itself. Okay. Those who are in Hyderabad, they can go and take that opportunity also, guys.
Yeah,
Sir,
I am looking for online course only. Online.
Okay. Yeah. Then this one only. Yeah. Someone
sir,
is
another
trying-
quick question.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Go one by one, guys. Sudish.
Yeah. Another quick question. So, at which time that UI timings will be starting?
Yeah, that you will once you enroll, right? The admin team will keep update you guys.
Oh, in the group.
Group. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely in this same time it will not be available. Don't worry. Most of the times that UI things and all will be there in the evening times.
Okay.
Yeah. Comfortable time zones or timings only will be there. Don't worry at all.
Hello, Ashok sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Chaital.
Yeah. First of all, good morning.
Yeah.
I put some questions in the chat box. If you could please answer them.
Where you kept?
Sir, like I have an experience of backend developer for Java Spring Boot and GraphQL.
Wait. I don't see any questions to me.
Sorry.
Maybe tell me now. Tell me. No problem.
Sir, I have a experience in banking domain with Java Spring Boot, GraphQL. So, and simultaneously, I also work with the testing manual team to create a framework, Java Selenium. Okay, in my last organization.
Okay.
So, we were the companies like it's a startup. It is pre-revenue. They are making the software on the lines of FlexCube.
Okay, FlexCube. Okay.
Okay, so like I've taken a break to complete my post-graduation semester 3 right now because I was not getting holidays.
Okay.
So my question is that should I go for this course, or there's another course on your website, Java's real-time projects? Which one I should go first? Second,
Hey,
yeah.
Chaital,
So
first point. Is completely that one only, man. See, I will tell you. First, you need to take the full stack course.
okay,
Okay. Then real-time course, whatever you are seeing that, right? So that is altogether, those who wants to attend that real-time things. Okay. Those who wants to attend that real-time project things and all, you can go and attend that. This one, right? You are talking about Java real-time project.
yes.
See, once you get the idea about the full stack course, so this is also one of the course which we are conducting, which we are taking on prior to those who are interested for the real-time trainings. Okay. So those can be update this one. There we are touching the some of the more AWS services you can see here. Okay. Some of the more AWS services here, and you can see that improve guidelines, Angular framework related things and all, and followed by the major projects like the real-time projects, how the things and all there. So those things and all will be going to cover here. Got it?
So this will not be covered in the full course, full stack course.
In the real-time project, in the full stack course content, we are going to be explaining that how the things topics wise we are going to be touching. Okay. How the real-time process will be there, right? Process. Are you getting? Software development aspect will be there.
Okay, so the project will be done in this course, and in that course you will just give like explanation.
There also you will see that real-time project, some dummy projects we are going to be explaining. So in that full stack course content, we are not going to be giving the guidelines how to tackle, how to crack the interviews. See, the mock interviews will be there, man. In this one, we are going to be explaining the mock interviews. We are going to be conducting the mock interviews. You can go and see here. Ashok sir is conducting some mock interviews also, right? Have you seen that mock interviews anytime?
Okay.
So some mock interviews and all will be there, right? So these
These
mock
are
interviews and all will be practiced. Those who wants those who are update this, real-time project. Are you getting?
Yeah, sir. Because since I have an experience, I know right from how to gather the business requirement till like first phase deployment.
Yes.
The IoT and the dev environment. So I was thinking of joining this course, sir, since I have the idea. And like I have time till January, February. Like I've taken break now. So I was thinking, and then I was thinking of joining the another course also, React.
React.js, yes, of course. That is also will be going to be happen. You keep touch with the admin team. We are trainers. We are definitely providing that React.js training also.
Yeah, because I was looking for a job.
Since you have real-time experience, right? I can suggest you one thing, Chetal. Since you have already real-time experience, right?
Yes, sir.
I can strongly recommend you that take the full stack course and take the React.js courses. Don't go for a real-time project. I'm recommending for you only. Okay. Okay.
You want me to take the full stack course, right?
Full stack course. Okay. And separately React.js, the course will be held at, okay, that will be going to happen that separately that React.js. You can opt it. Opt it means you need to enroll it, by the way. Okay.
But FullStack has everything now. React also is
Yes.
there, now.
React.js will not be touched. Angular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because in the syllabus it was there.
It is there. See, it will be there. See, in this one, we are going to be giving the overview about that how to integrate with React.js applications with the Spring Boot, REST APIs, all the things. Okay? You can see that. You can find out here, React. It will be there. Not reactive. Reactive programming is different, man.
Yeah, reactive programming is different. Not this
Different.
reactive, this React, the UI part.
Only React.js part, if you find here, it will be there here. In this.
No, not in this, in the FullStack. It is there in the FullStack syllabus, I saw.
See, that's what I'm telling. But this is the FullStack course content only. Might be it is got updated. I'm not sure. Okay. It might be updated, guys. So very quite
you will see that.
keep on updating, right? We are keep on going to be updating your things. Okay. React.js is different. Reactive programming is different, guys. Keep in mind that also. Yeah. But React.js, complete React.js, if you want to have that knowledge and all, then I will recommend that React.js separate course, man. Why the reason why I'm telling you, React.js is one of the very good UI library, which will be, if you have knowledge on the React.js, I can tell you how much demanding is there in the market.
Yes, it has not compared to Angular.
Yes, demanding, very demanding, guys. React.js combination, guys. React.js with Java or React.js with Python plus combination some cloud. Those who are having this knowledge and all, definitely they will be succeed more. They can earn more. Yeah.
So this React has a full project also in that separate React course.
Yeah, I think it will be there. You can. I think you need to check with them, guys. I'm not sure about it. You can see this React.js course.
2 months, right? 2 months.
Yeah, you better check with that admin team for the show for this React.js. Okay. Even I'm also working on the React.js project. My previous project, previous project means the current project, which is developed in the Angular. Now they are later moving into the React.js. Plus combination Python also, by the way, guys. All the combinations, because, very good performance-wise, this React.js is giving very good,
Yes, sir. Because even in our office also we did a lot of POCs. I myself did some around 10 to 11 POCs.
Okay.
Then we decided on React only. Going to Go. Then we also thought of Flutter. We also thought of this Angular. Then we zeroed on React. But I don't know front end. I only know back end and manual testing and like automation framework with Selenium Java.
Selenium. Then you might be using the Cucumber also.
No, Cucumber was not used. We didn't go that far because like our product in the previous company, it was like one phase was over.
Okay.
Second phase is going on right now. That will get over by March, but then it is still pre-revenue. So I get much hike also. So it's better I concentrated on my PG third semester, and then I can come back to industry also, like within maybe after January. That is my plan.
Okay. Fine.
So just wanted to know, like, if I come down there, is there any possibility, like, I can do some internship in your organization with some real hands-on in some project?
Yeah, it will be there. That's what check with the admin team. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
yeah,
great.
It will be there definitely. See, those who are interested this kind of things, they will we are conducting the first one entries and all. Okay. Some entry point will be there, right? If you are interested in this kind of things, definitely some entry points will be there. Okay.
So my point is that I am interested. I have backend knowledge. The only thing is that, to come back, I just need some hands-on practice with the real project, and I want to target places in Bangalore, Hyderabad for job opportunities.
Yes. It will be there.
Yeah. So I want to speak with some technical person rather than an admin person, because admin person will not able to solve my technical doubts.
Yeah, tell me.
So that's the reason I asked so many questions. Is there any free time we can talk one-to-one later on? Is there any way, sir?
One-to-one means
One-to-one
once you
on
have
call.
once you enroll.
Okay.
देखो
Yeah.
क्या बोल
Thank you for giving
कौन
some
बात
answer.
करना है उससे घर पे बोला उसको
Rajat, are you talk? Do you have any question? Yeah.
Yeah, that will be the great idea if you guys can talk one-on-one, so that I have one last questions for you.
Yeah.
Like as just Titan, right? So everybody's taking classes, and we don't have any number of people's limitations and how many people's going to take the sessions, right? So if somebody like me cannot catch up with your sessions, like I'm lagging behind you keep going and going, giving like 1.5 hour sessions, lecture every day, and then I couldn't get it. I couldn't go with your pace. And is there going to be any like offline support? So during practicing, during the
Of
assignment or
course.
something,
Of course, it will
can I
be there,
contact
Suman.
some person and
Ye-
take support from them?
Yes, of course, Suman. I will be there. See, as a trainer, so once you enroll, so there is a separate WhatsApp group will be created. Okay. So
Mhm.
whenever you are doing practice, while doing practice, if you have any questions, you can post there, okay, in that group
Mhm.
itself, or you wanted to, ask me separately in that group, in that WhatsApp, you can ask me, okay. So separately discussing means will be whatever the questions you have. So those things will be discussed in the in that during in our sessions itself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because the material wise, the Ashok IT and a lot of the YouTube channels has very great materials out there, right, for free. We
Yes.
can always go watch them as many times as we want to. But when the time comes on the practice, and then we don't understand exact, what the code is doing exactly, and then on the recorded sessions, we might not have that time, to ask questions, because there might be a lot of people. They also want to ask the questions at the same time. So the regular sessions will be hindered a little bit. So if there is a offline, support systems, so we can ask questions and then get answers
See,
on, that will be great.
offline, Suman, offline means suppose let's say once once the session is over today, just imagine that, okay? Today's session is over. So while you are doing a practice, okay, while doing a practice, if you have any questions, like maybe some exception or occurred or something is happened, you are unable to proceed, okay? So you can take a screenshot, you can take a snapshot, you can ask me in the WhatsApp, okay? Separately, if you feel that I have to ask him separately, you can ask me separately, okay? I will be also there in that WhatsApp group, okay? Okay, you can ask me separately, or if you have which is I think kind of like which is important to discuss in the group, means in the session itself, while in our regular sessions we'll be talk about that.
Okay, so this at most like we're gonna get the answers next day
Yes.
at most.
No,
Oh, okay.
see, I will be available, man. In the do you getting me? Support, let's say you have exception or if something you have, okay, error or something is happened, okay, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp, okay, I will reply to you immediately.
Oh, okay.
Means maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, because I'm also doing my job, right? So I'm also going to the office, okay.
Right.
Yeah, whenever I have time, definitely I will give you reply back, okay. Don't think that I never give the reply, so definitely I will give the reply to you. Yeah. And Praveen, what is the use of the Spring Boot? See, Spring Boot is the module in the Spring framework, which is helping a lot for it is saving the time for developers while developing, Praveen. So you will understand. It's in single word, if I tell you this, it will help you to develop like that, blah blah. You will never understand. Okay, but definitely the Spring Boot is now demanding in the market. Spring Boot is a kind of a one module man, so which is now that as a developer, I can tell you guys, I can tell you that how much it was pain before the Spring Boot. I've seen that manual configurations has to be done. Okay, some manual configurations. Whereas once the Spring Boot came, some kind of configurations we were avoiding that. Okay, you'll get to know, Praveen. Don't worry at all. Fine, guys. Then shall we wind up?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. One last question. Suppose if I don't want to go for the full stack and only would like to opt for core Java, advanced Java, and Spring Boot, so that will work, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, separately have to take.
Yeah.
Please check with admin.
Okay.
Praveen, in detailed means it will take a lot of time. Okay, I mean a lot of time means see, that Spring Boot is one of the framework, man, we can say. Okay, in details means you need to understand that Spring Boot whole content. Okay, so let me give you just a rough idea. See, Spring Boot, if you search here, you can just see this. I will just give the overview, simple overview. Before Spring Boot, okay, before Spring Boot, if you want to develop one application and which is going to be needed some more extra configurations, like example, database connection, example, okay, or we can say if you want to integrate with some third-party frameworks, okay, which are available in the market, like Spring Boot with Hibernate, Spring Boot with what you called Struts framework, Spring Boot with other frameworks if you want to integrate. Okay, first we need to do some extra configurations, and then only we can go and use them. Whereas when the Spring Boot came, okay, when the Spring Boot came, it is helped a lot to avoid the configurations. Okay, and if you want to run like before Spring Boot, if you want to run your applications, okay, like example web applications, if you want to run, then we need to depend on some third-party servers, like example Tomcat or other servers. Whereas Spring Boot has its own inbuilt server. Okay, and also the Spring Boot will help you to create any kind of applications. Okay, any kind of applications. So any kind of means standalone applications, web applications, distributed applications. You want to create a mobile based applications with this Spring Boot with a combination, man. I'm talking about the Spring Boot with Android. You can find out that Android combination, like integration things and all, security related things and all, it is helping a lot. Okay, you can create applications like bundling. Bundle means you can create as a jar or var or ER files very easily if you go with the Spring Boot. Okay, so meaning that production ready based applications you can create. Just you create and run it. That's it. That much flexibility will be there in the Spring Boot framework. Okay, I hope you got it. I just give you the overview. In detailed means it will take time. So meaning that first you need to understand the core concepts, in the Java. Then you need to understand the first of all Spring framework first of all. Then only you will get idea about the Spring Boot. I hope you guys are understood. Are you getting me, Praveen? Yeah, guys. Hope you guys are enjoyed first day. And once you can go through these links, guys. Okay, I'm sharing this course content, not this one, FullStack. You can see this one, guys. This is the FullStack course content. Go on to download it. I'm sharing this one. Please do enroll, guys. Please do subscribe the Ashok IT for the latest updates. You'll get a lot many things. Okay, we are ready to help you guys. Okay, at any certain levels. Fine, guys. See you tomorrow, same time.